Keenan, the DoD actually brought in 6 extra ER nurses on top of the team and doctors, or rather on top of the team of doctors and respiratory therapists they already had on hand. Now, the chief nursing officer here at Beaumont Dearborn says that because of that extra help, they've been able to open more critical care beds and most of all, give their staff some breathing room.
This is a very dangerous time for us.
State officials showing a scary comparison between this year and last year's surge. In 2021, we saw cases settle down after the holidays. That's not happening this time.
They're showing that we will likely peak between the end of January to early February. And then after that, things will start coming down.
This graph puts Metro Detroit at the center of the spread with the highest case rates, and sequencing shows the more contagious Omicron is the dominant variant. The estimate is about 90%. Health experts say despite so many infected people, this isn't our path to herd immunity.
It's much safer if we rely on vaccine-mediated immunity rather than everyone coming down with COVID in January and February of 2022 and putting our healthcare systems at risk.
The tidal wave of infections is impacting kids, and some are experiencing serious complications from the virus.
The majority of children we cared for with serious and life-threatening illness due to COVID have recovered. However, these children can be in the hospital from anywhere from a few days to up to 1 to 2 months, depending on how severe their illness was.
As we ride out the storm that is our 5th surge, testing continues to be a challenge. On Tuesday, President Biden ordered health insurers to cover at-home tests. Meanwhile, the state of Michigan is working on getting more to our schools.
Over 1.4 million antigen tests have been distributed to schools since 2020. And already this year, more than 72,000 rapid antigen tests have been distributed to schools.
Well, officials say the sickest of the sickest that are in the hospital right now battling COVID are likely unvaccinated or unboosted. And we're told people in their 20s and 30s, that age group there, is driving the case rates at the moment. Live in Dearborn, I'm Alex Bozargian, 7 Action News.
Yeah, just putting pressure on all aspects of life. Thank you so much, Alex, for that report.